Hey guys, it's the third day of the work site. We're heading to lunch right now. All we've been doing is shoveling and tossing bricks. Do I look like I've gotten jacked?
Getting the bicep bump.
I'm excited for lunch. Are you excited for lunch? Everybody. Yeah, we can.
Hi.
1 out of 10, how are you feeling right now?
The best I felt all day, so probably a good 6. Yeah.
How are you feeling 1 out of 10?
Like a 1, I'm dehydrated, I have a headache.
Then get water. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what our work site looks like. We've just been laying all these bricks down. Everyone's working hard. Then we've still got tons and tons of dirt over here. We've got some kids over here. I needed a little break. It's been a hard day. So these are my new friends. Sisva?
Yeah.
Say your name.
My name is Lisa. My name is Lai. My name is Annie.
Hey, so I'm starting the vlog this time because Mary's locked in her room with the other people.
Guys, sit down, dog. I'm helping. Here, dog.
Will you slide the old flex under the door?
Here, can I say I'm gonna vlog it?
I'm vlogging it.
Mary, can you give me your camera?
I want to vlog it, but Kate won't give it to me.
Kate, she said give it to me.
Winston's here, guys. We're good.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Who's in here? Mary, Eliza, and Abali. Okay, we'll save you in 2 days.
Oh, I can see your dogs.
How's it feel over there? This is not a nice angle, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan. She's connecting with the outside world.
Hey guys, welcome back. Go like this.
I got my picture.
We were at the work site today. And we were dying. Like this morning was bad. But it's gonna be a great night. We're gonna chill on the beach and it's gonna be really fun.
Spoiler alert, what's not fun?
Protein.
Protein.
Got these earrings at the market and they're really cute.
Got these earrings off of Amazon.
Oh, nice. Where'd you get that necklace?
Amazon.
I wore that in 7th grade or 6th grade. Hey guys, we're at the beach. Very beautiful out here. This is what it looks like. There's just a ton of seashells over there. It's so pretty. Let me show you my collection of seashells. So got this pretty one, this one, this green one. They're so colorful and pretty. I've never seen so many colorful seashells. Purple, green, pink. So pretty. Kenzie, if you're watching this, I would give you some seashells, but it's my time to shine.
Want me to film you running into the water?
Yes.
That was the funniest thing ever.
What's going on out there?
Parker had to go get them.
Huh?
Parker had to go get them.
No, like 2 of them were like hugging.
Oh.
Getting crushed.
Dad Caden in his element.
Yeah, I might have to go out there. Everybody thinks that they're stuck out there.
Later that same evening.
We just about had the most traumatic experience of our lives. I feel wrong for documenting this, but they're gonna be okay, so I know they're gonna be okay. Sadie is struggling over here. She just loves Tice and Kai.
They're my best friends.
Basically, half the group almost died in the ocean. I know I'm laughing, but I promise I was...
We all live.
Yeah, that's why I'm laughing, is because we're all alive. I was bawling my eyes out. It was probably one of the most scariest moments of my life, but
But we're all gonna be good. No.
really grateful for the God is good. Live, laugh, Tonga.
Me and Kaden and Tice were crying in a huddle, and then I said, YOLO, you only live once. And I think I cursed them.
Guys, Tice is alive.
We literally need to vlog about it.
Who wore it best? It's me though.
Good morning, everybody. Yesterday was an interesting day. I can't even remember if I went over anything. Basically, we had this kid almost die. This kid almost die. Ed over there.
No, he was. Yeah, he did. Yeah. Parker was like.
1 out of 10, how was your experience?
Probably like a 12. Phenomenal.
1 out of 10, how was your experience?
A solid 11.8.
Why?
Pretty close.
Because I don't remember anything and I got to have a free bus ride.
I know you told me.
And I got to lay in a warm hospital bed.
So today we're not going on the work site because we're all a little traumatized,
I'm
but
fine.
Good for you, Kate. Look at this dude.
No.
I'll update you guys when we're all happy and thriving again.
Later.
If you could vote someone off this island, who would you vote off?
Who would I vote off? You first.
Sadie, if you could vote someone off this island, who would you vote off?
You!
Mary Russell.
Yeah, because then
See, I'm considering.
No, not honestly. Like, it's a joke.
You can have your toast with your Nutella. Nutella.
Nutella, but you just... I get made fun of on this trip so much.
You said you like spaghetti, club and cheese and ranch.
welcome back to the channel. Mary is doing my hair.
So, I want to know... I want to know more about everybody. Someone tell me a story about your life.
One time I was stalked by a bear.
Giving her an extra key.
It's like the worst song to sing. Oh no, not the skin kill.
Skinkia. Sorry.
Mary likes to bully everyone.
Everyone bullies me.
Everyone bullies me.
Hey, there's an example.
The story of my life was the
Break it down.
Break it down. Break.
Helicopter.
Hey guys, we're at culture night. So, today's the tour day. We're touring Tonga
I came only for this.
for the three-headed coconut. And right now we're standing in front of the three-headed coconut and it's really cool actually. They're taking a picture without me, that's fun. Now we're going to the blowholes and it's gonna be really cool. We're at the blowholes. We're at the blowholes. It's pretty cool. That's what I've been saying in all my videos.
Pretty cool.
So fruity. 1 out of 10, how do you rate your experience?
10 out of 10. These waves are huge and they're beautiful.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Maybe it's a 9 because the three-headed coconut cannot be beat.
Next stop is this tsunami rock. Are you gonna go under where all the cannibalists are?
These silly goofs are climbing on the rock. Jello back!
What you know about that?
No, it's not the same, I never get enough. feel enough, feel enough. I just said, yeah, writing on my dreams, killing all fears.
Okay, we went to the baptism, and now we're back at Emerald Hotel to eat this Chinese food. Again. I know.
Do the record player thing.
You spin me right round like
What did you do? I stole a bass.
record player right round.
Did I take you off?
Switch my record.
Making them so bad.
Round and round. No way.
Santa!
Oh my! For Mary this fine evening, we have Reese's!
I got a Reese's peanut butter cup!